still out in Ontario Mills. They got a ton of retail shops. This is the first time we've seen these on sale, so pretty freaking dope. Jordan 3s on sale. Jordan 3s and Jordan 3s, which is interesting because these are way older. These came out way before. We also got the band Jordan 1 lows on sale. 130. It's only $10 off, but it's a little sale. This is actually the colors for the Korean flag, but Korea's knocked out, so forget you fools. Damn, Korea looks so freaking bad in the World Cup. But yeah, dude got some like Nubuck 1 lows, kind of interesting. 120, and of course plenty of Jordan 1s. Got the Turbo Bravo 4s, got the white metallic 5s, got 6s, got 1s, 2 more 1s right there, including the All-Star 1 highs. Got one of the Foamposite Pros right here until UNC. Blue right here, 170 for these. They do have other Foamposites. I didn't realize these two came out, especially with the Pros. You got Chicago Bulls Air Max Up Tempos on sale as well. All kinds of Vomeros. Got the Pegasus Premiums. None of it on sale though. I see Vomero Pluses. Entire wall just filled with sneakers and sneakers. Not seeing as many red tags as I thought I'd see though. Got these. I've never seen these before. Kind of like a faux gator skin. It's kind of interesting. Never seen these Superstar 2s. 180. That's what they're going for now. What? I think that's a special one. That's why. Got some. These look like Toy Story. Why do these look like Toy Stories? Is it? Yeah, it is. Samba Toy Story. That looks like Woody right there. 110. Didn't know Adidas had a Toy Story line. 70% off section right here, so you know we gotta look at it. Hopefully we can find something decent. Got some Locker brand basketball shorts. What are these jackets right here? New Era jackets right here. NBA. Is that an NBA All-Star jacket or something? I think that's what it is. 220, 70% off. 70% off, 220. Couple of mediums here. New Era 2026 All-Star jerseys as well. $100, so those go down to 30. Got World, got okay. Bunch of t-shirts and stuff. Got some 50% off ones here as well, including LeBron jerseys. Got some Tech Fleece. Tech Fleece 50% off. And I got t-shirts on this side. Maybe I don't see too many red sales tags because they have a sales section right here. They got Vomero pluses for women. Got some LeBrons for the kiddos. What are these? The Mafate Speed 2s. A couple different colors. Some trail running shoes, I believe. Some, I was say Bondi's right here. Bondi 9s. These are Cliftons, the Clifton 10s. Men's section right here. Got some Ultra Boosts. I thought these were like a different color, like a purplish. I think they're white. The light definitely not have a 75. Huge size, only one left. So $75. Oh, they got a gray one right here as well. Is that cheaper than the outlets? Cheaper than the Adidas outlets, I believe. Got the Puma runners, the Puma La France runners, some campus right here. Dude got some superstars. These are like some suede superstars. I kind of like these. $50. They got a few other things. Nothing too crazy. They got kids in the back. I think kids over there. Or is it women's? But yeah, they got a ton of women's stuff here as well, including a couple of the Pegasus Premiums right here. And 130, not bad. Not bad. I'm not digging that color though, but not too bad. They seem pretty comfy. A couple of Air Max 95s, kiddos. Don't seem to be too into Air Maxes nowadays. Pegasus right there. Got Hoka's on sale. Got some on running. A few of the handball specials. Nothing crazy though. Got Got these champs. They're at knee length. $50. Probably like $42, $43 after the savings because it does say 25 off. Probably the only dweeb check-in that's out 80% cotton. Dang it. I was like, what is this? This is for kids right here. $70. Hell of a price. Remember, they do React X instead of Zoom X. You're forgetting like words and stuff. What the hell? But yeah, I do got Vomeros here. Hella cheap as well. Yo, first place I've ever seen these on sale. Holy cow. Jordan 11s on clearance or on sale. That's definitely different than before. $195 to $180. So only $15 off, but at least it's a start. Foot Locker always seems to do the opposite of champs for some reason. Like these were on sale at Foot Locker, but they're not on sale here. Both had that on sale, but this has been out for a while, remember? That's been out for a while. But yeah, this is the rest of the Jordan section right here. And when they have stuff 70% off at Foot Locker, they never have them here. That's why they seem to stagger their sales. Got the clearance rack right here, 50% off. Almost walked past this chic right here. I was just talking about those 11s on sale. They got another 11 on sale right here. I don't even remember when these came out. Got the ballistic nylon right there. Got the way gold patent leather right there. $80 for these, but $80 for that. Just hella cheap. Got 4s on sale right here. I kind of like the material on these. Like that as well. I got these right here. I can't believe these ain't on sale. I feel like these came out forever ago. Everybody else like sold out of these a while back. Is this a 2025 release? Was this a holiday 2025 release? I think it was. Got some Australia dunks right here. Australia colorway it looks like. Oh, but their jerseys and stuff, were they? Yeah, they did use this color. They did use this color. I don't know why I was out of focus. But and got these for regular price though. So many dunks on sale right now. Wow, I feel like almost everyone's on sale. These have been on sale forever. Eventually, are they just gonna mark them down to $40, or do they just keep? I don't know how that works. I'm not gonna lie. Look, 2s on sale. Tech Challengers also on sale. One of the few places where we have been seeing Kobe's on sale. I don't remember if that's the Chinese New Year or what, but yeah, $140. 90s, 60s right here. Got a couple for $110, $120 for this one, $130 right here, $25 off for this colorway right here, the 574s. Got some darker ones right here. 65 is not bad for these. Oh, we got the Mexico colorway right here. This looks like a grade school though. Yeah. It's supposed to be the men's size area, but grade school right here, $90, a few dollars off. And they got these right here. This is a FIFA one. 110. Another Mexico right here. 110. $35 for these right here. Kind of like a Brazil colorway, right? Or is this Australia? I don't know, but $35. That's all that matters. And a few of the Evo SLs down there. We haven't seen that colorway anywhere. Yeah, this colorway is just dope. Dope. How it goes from dark to light in the front. How it fades. That's fire. Is that the Olympic colorway? Is this what Vince Carter wore when he jumped over that French dude? Best in-game dunk ever. Best in-game dunk ever. No other dunks that are any better than that. $190 for those shocks right there. Got Kobe slides, and look at this one right here. Look at that one. Matches with a bunch of Dodger stuff. That's pretty dope. And they do have plenty of the Jordans right here. Got the Flight Clubs. I think we got a couple more stores. I wish I had narrow feet just so I could wear these. My fat feet definitely don't work for these, but I freaking love the way these look. The Shox TLs. $110 for those bad boys. Air Max 95s right here, $140. $90 for the Air Max 90s. Tumbled leather. That tumbled leather on Air Forces. I prefer these so much more than the regular all black Forces. But yeah, a little blingy, but I don't know. I prefer these so much more than the regular Forces. I think they look so much better. $140 though, so it's a little more expensive, a few more dollars. This a little too much for me. This is interesting. All kinds of stars and stuff. Yeah, a little too much for me. Yeah, this $125. Got the stars in white as well. And then they also got a ton of these. I have a feeling we're gonna start seeing a bunch of these at the outlets. We did see one for the first time, so I feel like we're gonna see a bunch of those. New colorway. I've never seen these before. Never seen this. Got 1, 2, 3 for these. Never seen these. $125 for those. These some pluses. Yeah, these are Vomero pluses. Right here, $110. $110 right here. They got the all black. They got the black and blue one right here. $110 for those, and then white and black. So $80 off. Not bad. I want to get these for under 100, but that's a really good price. And then all these almost match with everything. So that works for, you know, regular people that don't have 75 pairs of sneakers. And even I'm like, I got too many, I need to sell them. $130. These 2K4 Huaraches, $130 for these. These came out $160 or $170 or something like that. So that's what's up. Starting to see these on sale. Not seeing them everywhere though. Not seeing them everywhere. Have not seen these in too many spots, to be really honest. Shoe Palace has them though. They refuse to throw these on sale. These have been out forever. 2024 release. These came out late 2024. Was it? Yeah, this was the August, right? This came out in August 2024. Still not on sale, dang it. Looks like they're starting to come out with more colorways of the Huarache 2K4s. Have these been out? Have I just not noticed? Yeah, these got the all black 2K4s. They got these Hyperflights. I've never seen this colorway before. $170 for these bad boys. I've seen the patent leather ones, as well as the Jason Williams PE right here as well. Still not on sale. $170 for both, or all of them. $160 for these bad boys. So $40 off. Something like that. They still got some of these. They still got the Reimagine. $100 for the Reimagined. Oh, okay, not enough light. But yeah, $100 for these bad boys. That's not bad at all. And I swear this is the only spot with the salesman. I haven't seen these anywhere, no? 215. They got a ton of Jordan releases. They got a ton. They have a few on sale, which is pretty dope. They got these on sale too. $130 for these bad boys right here. Some Mother's Day one? Some Mother's Day? Okay. You got a Finish Line right here. They've been any good? I swear this is one of the last Finish Lines in SoCal. Can't think of too many others. I swear they're all JD Sports now. I was wondering if these were all sitting now. They're just saying, hey, last chance, hurry up and buy one. Oh, there you go. There you go. $90. Not bad. $90 at a retail store. These are the Vomero 18s. Got some Reeboks right here. Definitely interesting color way right there. Whoa, look at these. These are huge. Holy crap. So freaking bulky. My shoes are bulky too though. But yeah, hella freaking bulky. 120. I don't know what the hell these are. The Gokanas. Adidas Gokanas apparently. They still got one of these Patrick Superstars right here. That's actually a really good shoe to give them, huh? Because it's a Superstar. Yeah, $100 for those. Oh, there you go. There we go. 574. This is a huge size right here, but $55. Hell yeah, that's the cheapest we've seen them in a minute. I'm gonna go to Dick's Sporting Goods outlet. Curious to see if they have any really good sales there. Oh, they got some scratched up Jordan 1 lows, extra scratches, and because of that, you get $60 off, I guess. And then on the wall, they got these for $70 off. Diamond Turf 50 off. You know, these were gonna go on sale, right? The Easter Forces, regular Forces. You got plenty of red tags, but like $20, $30 off. Nothing too crazy. Vomeros right here. Oh wait, I just saw these, right? Just saw these for a regular price. I don't know how much. I just saw these at Shoe Palace. How much were these? I don't know. I like be forgetting while I'm doing so.